Welcome to the Ugenie tutorial and a sneak peek into how the Grow Your Biz community will use this technology to better connect and collaborate throughout the US, Canada, and the UK. The first screen that you are seeing is from the App Store. This can also be done for Android devices in Google Play. You can search for the Ugenie app in the search bar and be shown the Ugenie application download option. For many of you, you will also have been invited by your chair and get a personalized email invitation to join the Grow Your Biz community. You can click on that invitation from your mobile phone and it will take you to the relevant store and help you through the download process. Once you have downloaded Ugenie, you will see the screen that will ask you whether you would like to enable notifications from this app. We encourage you to allow it so that you can get notified when relevant and interesting content gets added to the platform. When you are on the registration button, please click the button Register and go ahead and enter your first name, last name, email address, and set yourself a personal password. Once you've done so, please press the Create Account button. You can then enter a profile photo. This can be done by pressing the plus button and either taking a photo or uploading a previously existing one. Although this is optional, we encourage you to upload a photo so that our community can get to know each other better. Once you've made your choice, please press Next. The next step in the Create Profile process is to enter your address. Please note, it is acceptable if you'd like to enter a town, a city, or a general metropolitan area rather than your specific home. The reason we ask for this information is that when members post into the application, the distance that you are from other people will be displayed. And what this enables is people to understand how far other users are for them in case they want to set up local meetups or collaborative opportunities. Once you have done that, you will see a drop down of the various options of what you started to type. You select the one that is relevant to you and move on. If you have not used your email invitation to join the community, you will see a full list of Ugenie communities, and you will go and select the Grow Your Biz one by pressing Join. The final steps of creating your profile are selecting your community member type, which for most of us will be member, and the various updates you'd like to receive from the community. What this means is that by selecting the marketing, financial, and social media tags, when content that matches these 3 tags is entered to the platform, I will receive a notification to say that this has happened. This doesn't mean that I won't be able to see content on human resources, but I'll only be notified via a notification for the 3 topics that I've selected. Once you've made your choices, please press Next. You can also do some common interests, or you can press Skip if you do not want to make this selection. When you get to the group, please select your board and press Next. If you have not joined from the email invitation, you will go into a pending status while one of the head office or myself will approve you into our community. As we value privacy and the information that we share, it is very important that we make sure that the community only has our existing members allowed inside. Once you have been approved, you will be able to start seeing all the wonderful content that's being added by both the head office, the chairs, and the other members. Welcome to the Grow Your Biz Digital Hub. What this will allow you to do is to have one centralized place where you can have all of your Grow Your Biz information. What this is our welcome page and allows you to see everything that is functional inside the app. If we want to explore our community dashboard, that is all the stuff that is being shared to you by either Grow Your Biz's head office or your chairs. So all of the updates, documents, the calendar dates, videos, and also the groups, which we will be adding more of. Inside Documents, for example, you will be able to see all of the relevant documentation that's being shared. You will also be able to see things that are only relevant for your board. On the calendar, you will again be able to see all of the things that are relevant to you. These may include local board meetings, but also international events or opportunities where our membership can meet each other. The messaging functionality here is also quite important. One of the key pieces of feedback that we've received while we did the beta test is that many of our board members are looking forward to being able to connect with one another across boards, across countries, and across oceans. We will be launching a directory of all the Grow Your Biz members that opt in, and you'll be able to sort this by industry and/or different interests, and be able to use this messaging functionality to talk to them in one place. Notifications, once again, are used to tell you when content that matches your tags has been entered onto the platform. So, for example, yesterday, a post about marketing was entered and I received a notification that telling me that content has been added. If I press C, it will take me and show me that different content. Now, you can always change your notification preferences. If you don't want to get notifications on the new documentations or new videos or any of these, you can turn these off by simply pressing this button. And once the green goes away, that means that that notification is off. The most important notifications, however, are going to be the ones that come from when a post is made on my selected topics. You can go into your profile area, press Edit, and it will take you to able to change your notification preferences. If you wanted to unselect Grow Your Biz News, you could do so and go ahead and select the other things that are more relevant to you at that given time. Once you've made your choices, please press Save. This is a sample post of something that we posted into the community this week. It was a great post by Leanne on LinkedIn about how an advisory board can be great before you have a business plan. And we felt that this was connected to social media and GYB news, and so those of you that will have selected these notification preferences would have known that this content has come onto the platform. In order to find content that's most interesting to you, you can also press on a tag and it will search all of the posts that are related to that particular tag. This gives you a shortcut and a better way to manage the content inside the platform. In order to make a community post yourself, you would be clicking on this button at the top called Create Post. Press Community Post and go ahead and enter all of the information that is relevant to that particular post. So if I was making my monthly update, my Wilna, I would put that in as the title. I would put in the description. I would tag my audience, so that for me would most likely be the members, the chairs of the London group. I can then select the tags with what that is relevant to and then press Post. To manage my account, I can go to the Profile section and the Settings tab and see all of the various ways that I can manage my Ugenie account. If you have any questions on our terms and conditions, any FAQs about how to use the app, or just want to get in touch with me at Ugenie, please use any of these buttons to learn or contact me. Thank you very much for sitting through this tutorial on the Grow Your Biz International Hub. If you have any questions, please feel free to email me at susan@ugenie.io. I look forward to seeing you in our International Digital Hub, which I hope that will allow us to better connect, collaborate, and grow our businesses.